what you're going to have is basically you're going to have a well for your drinking water system, and then for, I guess, this discharging of your wastewater, from, let's say, your toilets, your sinks, your bathtubs, showers, dishwashers and clothes washers, that actually will go into the septic tank. And then basically, again, it's two compartment with a lot of the solids falling out in the first compartment. The second compartment is more of a clarified water. Then that's discharged out into the drain field. And then that will go into the groundwater system. And then typically on the shore, and especially on the western portion of Talbot County, we actually, because of the high groundwater table, penetrate the groundwater system, and ultimately the effluent from your drain field is going into the groundwater, and typically it's going to be what we call the superficial aquifer. It's going to be the first aquifer that's actually going to daylight to the nearest stream or river.
But there is a certain feeling that, okay, so this effluence that's coming out from the septic system, it's not really touching per se the water that you're drawing up from your well, because
that's correct. And that's what I guess they're confined aquifers. What we typically see is that, a confined aquifer, there's a clay lens. And when a well driller is drilling, he's required basically to seal off that, the well. So there's no water contaminating from one aquifer to the next. So that's, by the well driller and his permit, making sure that he's not taking the superficial aquifer and using any pollutants in that to contaminate the next aquifer down.
Visit us at greencourses.net.